Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do full review of StealthGPT. I did my dual impression video for this tool already, and in this video I will focus on the functionality. So with StealthGPT you should be able to bypass AI detection tools like Originality AI, GPT-0, and many others. For example, if you're a blogger and you would like your content to be less detectable as AI content, this tool can be good for you. And maybe for your work, you need to produce some written content and you would like that to be undetectable and you would like that to be not marked as AI generated. And another big use case could be for studying. There is a popular tool, Turnitin, where you submit your essays and it will detect AI score. So this Turnitin tool is popular in academic sphere to check the content if that was generated by AI or not. Just quick recap on the deal. So license tier 1 will give you 125,000 words per month. And this Infinity Engine words, it means how many words you can put in your prompt. So if you'll take a look at license tier 2 and 3, we're getting 500,000 and 1.5 million words per month. Alright, so let's take a look at the StealthGPT. So here we can see recap on the use cases, for example, for students, marketers, content creators, and other spheres, it can be useful. And I like the simplicity of this tool. So we are getting functionality stealth bypass. So here you will paste your content generated elsewhere. Then we are getting stealth content generator. You need to put your prompt here. And then you're getting essay generator. That's nice. Let's explore some settings in more details. Down below, we can see undetectability, mode, and tone. If we set it low, to the right, we can see how undetectable our content will be and how coherent and readable. So low is ideal for blog writers, medium will be more undetectable but less coherent, is better for essay, and high is ideal for users seeking the ultimate protection from AI detection. But in the end, the text will be less coherent and less readable. We also have few standard tone of voice like casual, professional, and academic. And for the first test, I am generating short essay, how a bad habit develops using GPT 3.5 Turbo. Okay, here it is our text. Let's copy that and let's check that with Originality AI. Let's scan now. Okay. As expected, it is 0 original and 100% AI. So now, let's use undetectability high, tone of voice casual, paste our content here, and let's bypass AI detection. Okay, we are getting 65% stealth score. As well, we are getting some other metrics like similarity, grammar, and spelling score. Okay, so previously we had 723 words. Now let's paste new content. Now it is 384, and let's scan again. Alright, now we can see it is 94% original. That is great. Let's actually test this text in some other AI detection tools. Here is cross-black tool. So as I understand, if we are close to here, that it means that it is more human. We can see this text is mainly written by a human. Let's check GPT-0. Great, we are getting score like 6% probability that it was written by AI. Let's check another tool, StealthGPT. And we can see it is human written. Also, let's check it in copy leaks. Okay, copy leaks shows this as 0 AI content. Okay, so that was a great score. We just get a bit less words. Out of 700, we're getting 300. But anyway, let's test medium undetectability. So it is good for school papers and essays, tone of voice academic, and let's bypass. And while we wait, let's also check the readability score of previous text. So readability grade is 12, so not so good, but it is expected based on the settings. More undetectable means less readable. Okay, now we have the second version ready. So first of all, let's check readability. So now it is better readable, grade 9. So now let's check for AI detection. With previous settings, we were getting score 94, and now we're getting 79, which is expected based on our settings. All right, so now let's move to low undetectability and let it be professional. Let's bypass AI detection. Another version, let's check readability. Now it is again grade 12. Okay, let's check the content. So now it is expected to be more AI generated. Let's scan again. Yep, now it is 69 AI. So let's test another feature, Stealth Content Generator. I'm using the simplest prompt possible. So there are ways to improve your AI undetectability even with prompts. I will leave the link in the description to a video where you can have some hints about that from another channel. But anyway, let's generate. Okay, so let's copy that. The settings were low undetectability, but improved readability. Yep, so readability is okay, grade 9, but could be a bit better, I think. And originality, let's scan that. All right, so when you generate text using StealthGPT on the low setting, where it says it can be like undetectable only above average, I'm very surprised to see that originality cannot detect any piece of AI here. That is great, great result. So let's quickly check some other tools. Again, cross-plug, mainly written by a human. StealthGPT says it is a human written content. Let's use copy leaks to test the text. Okay, the report says it is 0 AI. That's great. Okay, so now let's check another tool, essay generator, essay main topic. Now let's use medium undetectability, which is good for essays, and let it be academic style. Let's generate. I can see it is maybe too short, so let's try another setting. Okay, now I've generated some theses. Let's try and regenerate. Okay, you can play with the prompt more if you need, but I'm interested in AI score. And first, let's check readability. Grade 9, yep, could be maybe a bit better. But let's check AI detection. 100% original. That is great. All right, moving to a conclusion. I was really surprised how StealthGPT really delivers on its promise to bypass AI detection. So you can generate content elsewhere and rewrite that with StealthGPT. If you rewrite text with StealthGPT, you will get more AI detected. But then if you generate text using StealthGPT directly, you're getting very high AI undetectable score, even on so-called low undetectability mode. So maybe the easiest way for me was just to enter prompt here and get your content. So if you need a tool which will help you to bypass popular AI detection tools, then please check StealthGPT. The link will be in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.